Stencils pack for crafting, basic shapes contains these formats, EPS, it is a vector image file. DXF, outline files, ideal for cutting. PNG, a type of raster image file. SVG, is a web-friendly vector file format in STL, models for 3D printing. The models are designed to be suitable for 3D printing, such as thickness, not having too sharp edges, etc. Here is an example of how to print the templates. There are 45 directories with 1990 files. In each directory there are models of different design versions and size from the largest to the smallest. Anyway, each model size and thickness can be modified in the slicer. All models have a thickness of 0.5 millimeter. I have chosen this thickness as optimal for both use and printing. For better adhesion of the first layer I chose a thickness of 0.3 millimeters and increased the material quantity from 0.42 to 0.52. The second layer has a standard thickness of 0.2 millimeters. I also recommend using one perimeter instead of the standard 2. 3D printed stencils are suitable for airbrush, painting, quilting, patchwork, BLO pens, air pens, etc. and are reusable, easy to clean and easy to operate. That's all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.